By the way, guys, did you ever notice how Japanese literature feels so peaceful?
Yeah, every story connects to nature and emotion.
That's right. Take for example the life of Genji. It shows themes like love, beauty, and life's flow.
And haikus too, short but full of meanings.
Well, that's Japan's magic. Simple words, but deep feelings.
Discover the soul of Japan, where every word blooms like a cherry blossom.
Kid, still reading? What's the book this time?
It's The Guide by R.K. Narayan. It's part of Indian literature.
Indian literature? What's special about it?
It's full of wisdom and stories about life. It began with the Vedas and Eddies and Ramayana and Mahabharata.
It's about God's right?
Yes, but also about love, truth, and duty. Even modern writers like Tagore and Arundhati Roy explore real human struggles.
Sounds deep. Any book you recommend?
Try Gitanhali by Tagore. Simple words but powerful meaning.
Maybe reading isn't bad after all.